Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. How are you doing out there today? I hope this finds you well. I recently got to go on a pick and I want to share some of the highlights with you. A lady called me. She had lost her uncle many years ago, but she had inherited his toy collection. And so she invited me over to look at the toys, and it turned into being so much more than just a toy pick. So enjoy the video, and I will be popping in at times to tell you more about what happened behind the scenes.
Let's go!
So it's just old stuff he had, and like I said, it can sit there for another 50 years. It doesn't matter.
Yeah, I'm with you.
I'm not going to do anything with it. It took me 2 years to even go through his things.
Huh. So these are graphic novels.
Those he kept in his bedroom. Now I'm thinking those might be special, but again, I could be wrong. I think that's where that Superman one is, somewhere.
Okay.
Maybe you could shine light on it. And upstairs he's got like a long playing record. It's E.T. and it's still in the cellophane.
Oh, no kidding. I love that. That's awesome.
The one on the bottom is like really collectible, but like I said, unless you're into it.
Oh, this is neat. Look at that.
Yeah, they're a combined thing. These Fantastic Fours, I guess, are really in need. This one's like really
Wow.
in need, I guess, or
the
what do you
size
call
of
it?
that thing.
Huh?
Just look at the size of that thing.
There it is. I put it back in here. Well, that's not the one I was looking for, but
Okay.
they're bagged and boarded, so I know they're
Action Comics number 1000.
Justice League.
That has to. Oh, I see what they did.
What?
So this is a throwback. So this is
Okay.
this is 80 year. So it's number 1000. So this is actually a very new comic book, but they made it look old,
Okay.
which is pretty cool. Yeah.
The other one, with the, what do you call it, the buggy on his,
Oh, the
number one.
Yeah, number one. Action Comics number 1. Yeah.
it's like that, I guess.
Yeah. So this one here, you can buy it right now for $7.50 online.
Okay.
So but still, I mean, it's cool, right? But yeah.
But you add up all them little $5 right there. That's,
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, exactly. Hawk and the Dove, Swamp Thing, Fantastic Four.
He kept that stuff from the 1950s on up. I was the only child, so I'm the only one that survived. So the first thing on this pick that we're starting off with is this big box of books on the couch, and I don't know how she got it there. When I took it out to my truck, I could barely get it there myself. But we're talking Thor, we're talking a lot of DC, Superman, that sort of thing. Stuff that's definitely in my wheelhouse, but a lot of things I don't know about, right? So we made a deal, good for her, good for me, but let me just show you some of the highlights of some of the things that have already sold. This book here sold for over $200. I took a best offer on this book for $100, and I took an offer on these two books, and they sold for just over $60 as well. So you can tell there's some good value there. Now, am I going to hold on to these forever? No, I kept a few for myself that meant something to me, but the rest are going to go on to their forever homes, and that's what this should all be about. Let me just show you this, because since you're tall,
Yeah.
it's a little dusty, but somebody said he painted them.
Do you want to go with you?
Yeah, that's
Okay.
fine.
Yeah. How about that?
Anyway, they've been sitting up there, I don't know how many years. Somebody said they painted them. I don't know.
Yeah, those are model kits.
Okay.
Yeah, those are cool.
So.
Those are really cool.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, if you want to take them down now, I'll get a box right here. I just want them to kind of be appreciated, you know what I'm saying? I don't want to just throw, like, where's the good money and then, you know, throw away. This stuff is dirty, though. You can't find them no more, can you?
Aurora. Yeah, look at that.
It's dirty, though.
I don't care.
Okay. I might run across some other things. And
Oh, please, yeah,
I
please.
can't believe you even think those are cool.
I think they're awesome.
You want some bubble wraps to put around them, too?
Oh, no, I think it'll be okay.
Because he's got a whole box of toys upstairs. That's why I called you.
Yeah, I'd want
They're like this box, but he honestly played with, and like you said, more power to him.
Yeah.
He was such a wise
Swamp
man.
Thing is freaking cool.
Is
oh
it
my
really?
Gosh, that's awesome.
So these are toys that you are
Yeah, I mean,
models. I didn't even know what they were.
Technically they're models, right? But hey, who cares? That's just... So, yeah, here they are. Still in that box. Still dirty. I haven't done anything with them yet because I really think they deserve a video of their own. So I will have that next Sunday.
Stairwell does not have a handrail.
Okay. So I got to catch you then?
No, I don't want to be liable for you, I guess.
Right. Interesting.
Rita. be transferred, I guess, if you want to clean them up.
Can I take one off the wall just to?
Of course.
Yeah.
Somebody else did, and we didn't get it back in there right.
Yeah. So it looks like he just took prints off the.
Yeah.
But those are neat though.
Yeah.
Love that decor piece.
So I'm gonna let you go in there.
Okay.
I guess you'll find what you're looking for. Yeah, there you go.
Wow.
Yeah. These are the toys, I guess. There we go.
Yeah,
I didn't
absolutely.
even...
Yeah. Oh, Martian Manhunter. That's cool.
Okay.
Yeah. Dr. Doom up on top. That's awesome.
Okay, so you found your...
Oh, yeah. This is...
I didn't even know it was there until you were here.
Was that right?
I mean, I knew it was there, but I didn't see the magnitude of it until the expression on your face.
Yeah.
See? These are all books and
Oh,
stuff.
he's got all those too.
Yeah.
Interesting.
And people want like one book. I'm not selling one book.
No.
But see, there's the... I know you'll get more. You can go ahead and move that
all
chair.
the albums down there too. Jeepers.
Yeah. So evidently, the boxes to these are out in that shed or building out there.
Oh, okay. All right.
So these are very good things for you to find today.
Oh, yeah. I love it.
I didn't even realize that's what you were looking at until...
Oh, yeah.
Like, I was just
The
scrolling.
thing.
You seen what I sent you pictures of.
Yeah,
The
exactly.
figurines.
Look at this. The thing. Ben Grimm.
So you can clean them up.
Yeah. I mean, like, he's sticky, right? There's residue on him, but I don't care.
But that's why you're going to get them at a very good discount.
Right. All right.
Because they're just going to get more stickier. Or
Right.
they not. Probably ruin.
Oh, this Thor is wicked cool.
It is.
Look at that cloth cape.
Okay.
That's so awesome. Oh my gosh.
That's what his... You brought joy to my heart.
Oh yeah?
This is his, I guess his legacy.
Oh yeah. Oh my
And just
god.
to see you marvel over them.
Just
To
incredible.
appreciate the art, not
Oh yeah.
the
Yeah.
money wise, you know.
Unbelievable.
He said I would find somebody that would appreciate it.
Green Lantern. Gosh, the vintage Green Lantern. Unreal.
So you can't find this stuff normally.
You can find the comic shows and stuff, but you know, finding it in the quote wild, right?
Okay.
That's what gets my
That's
heart
the
pumping.
photo.
Yeah.
See, the box is yellowing
Yeah.
from the sun. The summer's over.
Surfer, heck yeah. Heck yeah.
And look, he's got this man over here.
Oh, Galactus.
Look, see, I done
oh
broke
no.
him. Okay, that's why they're over here together, right?
Yeah, they go together, yeah.
These are bedrooms. This is what made me think of contacting you.
Oh, okay.
So
yeah.
it's heavy and I don't want to pick
Yeah,
it
yeah,
up.
yeah. We'll take a quick peek here. Oh, so okay, these were the ones you okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Some of them are broken, but they're in a box, so I don't know.
Yeah.
But that's the only toys I thought of. I thought these is something else.
Yeah,
They are
so
toys.
correct. These are toys. Those would be
Collector or...
statues, maybe?
Okay.
I don't know.
But those are toys, right?
Yeah, those are toys. I love them. They're awesome. Oh yeah, there's Magneto down here. We got Doc Ock. All his tentacles. Wow.
I like to hear you say, wow.
Incredible. Oh, here's something. Maybe. Whoops.
I should have brought a box up.
Oh, wow. I hope he's all in there. Look at that.
Okay. See, I told you his arms and stuff were missing.
Yeah, but they may be in here. I don't
Is
know.
that some more of them molds?
Puzzle or models.
Okay.
You got me. I'm all verklempt here. Yeah, like there's Superman
Oh
model.
my gosh, is he broke?
Yeah, his arm's missing.
Or is it missing or broke?
It's missing. So
Okay.
yeah, the seam was there, but is it in here? Right.
Okay.
So did I find Superman's arm? Yeah, and then some. Take a look at this. So with a little patience and some super glue, we got Superman back together. We got the Hulk back together. We found Spider-Man in there and Captain America. Now, the amazing thing about these model kits is like Superman here, one recently sold for over $200, but he he was done really, really well. This one is worth about 150. This Hulk is probably worth about 125. Spider-Man is worth about 100, and Captain America is worth probably around 125 as well. But still, after with some super glue and some patience, put them back together, I am keeping these, and these are not for sale. Crypto, yeah. So that's just an empty box. Feels like, yeah, like Crypto's not there.
Okay.
But you know, he's somewhere probably, right? So she said the boxes for the statues were in the garage, and as you can see, yes, they were. We found them. We got everything back in its original box. I got most of them listed on eBay. I did keep that really cool Thor statue. And at the very end there, you saw Crypto, the Crypto box. We found Crypto. He too was on that shelf of statues. And here's the thing that blows my mind is Crypto right here is currently listed on eBay for $215. Yes, I'm not kidding. And there are 4 watchers. So he'll probably sell somewhere between $175 and $200 for this little statue. Crypto here is one of 1,500 statues made. So he's definitely a rarer piece than most. But everybody, this is absolutely the most money I've ever spent on a collection. You can already see some of the sales that have come through. As a matter of fact, as I was filming this tonight, this world's finest Superman Batman combination guy sold for 20 bucks, and I also took a $20 offer on this Thor. So those two just sold tonight as I was filming this. So anyway, absolutely the biggest collection I've ever bought. I was nervous, but I think it's paying off in the long run, and I get to surround myself with some of the coolest things I've ever seen. Well, that's all I got for you tonight, folks. Thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you so much for being a part of this channel. Take care of yourselves. Take care of each other. And I'll see you next Sunday when we talk about those Aurora Universal Monster models. See you then, everybody. Bye.
Find, sell, collect, go and sell to sell. Find, sell, collect, shipping stuff in the mail.